As a not-for-profit company, we regularly consult with our customers to find out what they want from us. This year, we're doing an even bigger consultation to look at some of the major challenges that we as a company face, not just for the months or years to come, but for the decades to come, right up to 2050 and beyond. We're running a television and radio advertising campaign to make people aware that the consultation's on and to raise awareness of our model and how we deliver for our customers. We're also taking some more innovative approaches. We're developing a website and a chatbot.
The brief from Welsh Water was to get as many people through the consultation in a fun, engaging and really simple way. So we achieve this in two ways, one by building a microsite and one by building a Facebook Messenger chatbot. So the microsite is a really easy and super engaging way to complete the consultation. It's really simple to use. You just run through the questions with a little bit of animation, a bit of information about the topic, and then a simple question asking how important is this to you and your community. The second way is through a Facebook Messenger chatbot, which is a brand new technology that's really exploded over the past year. This will be the first bilingual chatbot available in both English and Welsh, and everyone's got Facebook Messenger already on their phone, so it's really accessible because of their massive audience.
So the consultation runs for 10 weeks and the views will help us form plans for the future, but the work doesn't stop there. We're continuously asking people for their views, and we've just launched an online community to make sure we're gathering views throughout the year. So the challenges we face as a company are big. We can't do all of this alone, and so that's why it's important that people do have the say and be a part of helping shape their water and their environment for generations to come.